So today we are going to discuss about how we can create a virtual machine on Google Cloud. So let's see how we can proceed with this. So I have already created one account on GCP, and GCP gives you 300 USD credits for 3 months. So I can show you. Still 22,000, almost 350 rupees are left for 89 days. So you also can create account on GCP. How you can create that I will explain. That I already explained in another video. So let's see how we can create the instance and then how we can access it. So first of all, we have to. This is the home page dashboard. Now from this home page, first of all, we have to go to compute, and in compute there is a compute engine. So here I will select the VM instance. I already created 3 VM. Now I will create another VM. So for that we need to click on create instance. Okay, instance name you can give, but I will give the shortest name which I can easily access, and with this instance name itself your service account will be created. So sorry, service account will be created based on this your username. So Q1 I'm giving the instance name, and here what we will do, series E2 is fine, and here I will select 8 vCPU and 32 GB memory. I will select, click on enable display devices, and here we have to select the boot disk and operating system. So just click on this change. Here I will select the Ubuntu operating system, and which version of Ubuntu I will select Ubuntu 20.0 for LTS, and hard disk we will select standard persistent disk which is 100 GB, then click on select. For now what we can do here, we will click on allow full access to all cloud APIs, allow HTTP, HTTPS, and then click on create. So the VM will be created. Okay, I can see VM is starting. What we can do, one thing here, we in GCP there are options that we can do the SSH using browser based terminal, or I have installed Mobile Extreme also in my system. So what we will do, if you want to install Mobile Extreme also, that you can install. So which is you just need to type Mobile Extreme, and this give the FTP, SFTP, or command prompt. Many things are there. So you can, if you are using the Windows, then you can use the installer edition. So installer edition you can download and you can install. I already installed this mobile extreme in my system. So let's say this is the mobile extreme. Now what we will do here, uh, my VM is started. I can see VM is started. I can click on SSH and I can access this VM easily. I can access, but let's see, if you want to access it using the putty or some other tools, or maybe mobile extreme or M remote ng, there are multiple options. So either you have to use the public or private keys, or I can give you one another easy option that you can do some changes without the keys also. You can access this VM in your mobile extreme. So first of all, what I will do, I will log in with the root user, and here I will change the password for root user. Why? That is maybe in future somewhere you are stuck, or password based authentication if you want, then we need to change the password. So I will change the password. Okay. And I will change the password for my guest account also. Yes, Rakesh Jangir. I will give the password. Okay, now I have changed the password. Now this is the public IP, and if I want to access this machine in my mobile external, so click on sessions, and if I want to access here, I will create new session. Click on SSH. Here I will paste the IP address. Username is DS Rakesh Jangir. Where it is, I can show you. So if I exit from here, this is my username. Who am I? Rakesh Jangir. DS Rakesh Jangir. So same username I have given here. Now if I click on OK, accept, but it is denied. We are not support authentication methods available. So this problem you will face until uh, you will not do required changes. So what we will do, first I will log in with the root user, and uh, service, if you can see service sshd status, this is already running. This service is basically used to uh, ssh the machine. So this service is already running. So here we need to do one change: vim slash etc ssh, then sshd underscore config. In this file, we will do two changes. First, permit root login is yes. Permit root login. If you want to do SSH with root user, then we have to make it yes. And for password based authentication, we have to make it yes. So as of now, password authentication is no. So what we will do here, I will change this now to yes, password based authentication yes. And then what I will do, I will restart the service. SSHD restart. So once we restart, again I can check the status, service is restarted. Now I will go to here, and there is option press capital R to restart the session. I will just press the capital R. So it will prompt for password. So we are successfully able to log in into this machine after changing the SSHD config file. So now I am able to connect with the Q1 machine. So this is the way you can access the machine in mobile XRM or M remote ng without public or private IPs keys. So this is how we can set up the VM on GCP. That's all for this video. Thanks guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.